everyone, it's Learn the Difference again with Regina. Thank you for viewing my posts. Without you, there'll be no show. Thank you. Today we're looking at 3 simple words. Yeah, you heard me. 3 simple words. Now, at some edition earlier on, we looked at the word nation, and then we also saw the word nature. Now, the two differ in the T letter. The T in nation gives you the sh sound. So you go nation, shin. The T gives you a sh sound. But the T in nature gives you the ch sound. Ch. So you go nature, 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 nation, nature. Today we are contrasting those two words with the word nurture. I'll say that again. Nurture. Now the UR in NURTURE gives you the long sound. So it's nurture, not nurture, not nature. I hear all kinds of pronunciation. It's nurture. Nature. So the T gives you a ch sound, yes, but the UR gives you the sound. Okay. Nature. To tend something until it blooms and blossoms, until it grows, until it becomes big. Nature. Not nurture. Nurture. The exact same sound that you have in the word nurse. NURSE. So you say nurse and nurture. So let's run through the words again to be sure we get the difference. So you have nation, nature, and nurture, and nurse. Last time, nation, nature, and nurture, and of course, nurse. All right. I do hope you got that difference. See you again soon. Bye.
You say you love me, but I don't think